Greetings from the height of mobile luxury. In 2026, the world-famous luxury brand Rolls-Royce takes you to a place you have never been before, the world of road travel. Presenting the Rolls-Royce Motorhome for 2026. From the outside, it looks like a piece of art, combining the famous Rolls-Royce design with the enormous size of a camper. The Spirit of Ecstasy takes the lead with its iconic Pantheon grille and sophisticated laser headlights on either side. A custom two-tone paint job that mirrors the sky or scenery it travels through completes the svelte bodywork. From the skillfully inlaid chrome embellishments to the hand-polished 24-inch alloy wheels, every element radiates beauty. This beauty is the result of an engineering marvel. The cutting-edge 6.75-liter twin-turbo hybrid V12 engine that powers the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2026 produces an amazing 700 horsepower. An 8-speed automatic transmission transmits this power with unmatched smoothness, making every ride, even over difficult terrain, as smooth as a cloud. Unmatched comfort is guaranteed every mile thanks to state-of-the-art adaptive suspension technology that automatically adapts to the driving circumstances. The dashboard that greets you as soon as you enter is a piece of digital art rather than merely a control panel. It is made of high-gloss carbon fiber or hand-polished veneer wood and features a panoramic OLED display that fills almost the whole width of the cabin. It has multi-zone climate control, vivid 3D holographic navigation, and critical information displays. Even the steering wheel is a sculpture, with its cool-to-the-touch aluminum embellishments, silky leather upholstery, and quick capacitive touch controls. A custom-created Swiss analog clock in the middle adds a touch of classic elegance and serves as a reminder that time is a luxury that should be enjoyed in a Rolls-Royce. The interior of a Rolls-Royce motorhome, with its constantly changing scenery, is a magnificent addition to your home. You can unwind in unmatched luxury thanks to the custom leather seats that fully recline and rotate. The cabin's gorgeous real wood paneling, polished metal accents, and adjustable LED ambient lighting create a mood-appropriate atmosphere. A clever soundproofing technique guarantees a library-like atmosphere despite the sounds of the road outside. You can see the landscape without compromising your privacy thanks to large, electrically veiled panoramic windows. Enter the master bedroom, a peaceful retreat, through the exquisite sliding doors. A comfortable night's sleep is guaranteed with a king-size bed with an ergonomic mattress. Soft silk curtains and wood paneling adorn the walls, and the mood is calmed by the low lighting. When a button is pressed, a hidden OLED TV that provides your own entertainment will emerge from the ceiling. Personal climate control guarantees the ideal resting temperature, while a spacious closet and well-thought-out storage areas keep your possessions tidy. The Rolls-Royce Motorhome's bathroom is a shining example of both design and practicality. It has 2 basins with gold-plated faucets, a modern ceramic toilet, real Italian marble flooring, and a walk-in shower with a rain shower head and continuous water pressure. Shining chrome accents, adjustable lighting, and anti-fog mirrors all contribute to the luxurious experience. This is your own spa wherever you go, not just a restroom. According to Rolls-Royce standards, even the kitchen has been refurbished. A small gourmet kitchen that is completely furnished with premium appliances from Sub-Zero and Wolf. This contains a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven microwave, a built-in dishwasher, and a multi-burner induction cooktop. The bespoke cabinets provide enough storage, and the countertops are made of polished quartz stone. Clean, filtered water is provided via an integrated water dispenser, and necessary supplies may be kept in a little pantry. This kitchen is meant to inspire you whether you're cooking a quick dinner or a gourmet feast.